today's video is all about showing your files in list or grid view here in the Google Sheets app. So whether you're using the iPhone or the Android, whatever I do here on the iPhone would be the same with the Android. So I have my Google Sheets app open right here, and here are the files that I have created or that have been shared with me. And right now it's in grid view. With the grid view, you have a preview of what that spreadsheet would look like. Here they are. But if you just want to see a list of these files, what you can do would be to switch to your list view, and that's just going to be by tapping on this icon right here. And there you have it. With the list view, we have more details about our files, like when these files have last been opened or edited. So again, that's the difference between our list view and our grid view. For grid view, we have a preview of what that spreadsheet would look like. And for the list view would be more on the dates of when those files were last opened or last created. And there you have it. So switching between your list view and your grid view is quite easy, and that's just by tapping on this icon right here. And there you have it. So whichever preference you have, you can just easily switch that by just one tap right here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.